Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jar, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. If you haven't seen my video before, go check out my previous video. I'm on Manir Retro Force. It's a video on them in-hand review. Sadly, I couldn't have it on feed of them. That's most of my personal size. But go check that video out, man. I think that shoe will be shoe of the year. But I also think this shoe right here will be shoe of the year as well. My Air Jordan Retro High OG Lost and Found joints. I still ain't get my personal size on these neither, but I won a couple pairs, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't win my size. I won everybody else's size. Or I win 9.5, 10.5. But I don't never win no 11.5 my personal size, man. Sometimes it be hurting, man. It be hurting times, bro. But it's all good, like I said. At least I get an in-hand review for y'all, my family members, of course, man. I miss y'all for sure. Comment down below, man. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Y'all got these Air Jordan 1s. Lost and Found joints. Y'all want on sneakers? Hit on the Foot Locker app. You know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. Comment down below, man. Let me know. If y'all want a shoe on the sneakers app, Foot Locker, Champs, you know what I'm saying, Snipe, whatever shoe site that y'all want it on, let your boy know down below. If y'all here for the Retro 1 Lost and Found. So make sure you like and subscribe. Subscribe if you're new. Make sure you follow me on all platforms down below. Greatly appreciate it. But not further ado, man, let's go get that shoe out, man. Here they go. This look at the box. This is a vintage OG type of box look right here. Just fire, man. Box here comes with the 80s vintage damaged box here. So if y'all could tell, like a little white marks and all the stuff around the box. It's more of an 80s vintage type, like a damaged type box, what they saying, which is super dope. I like this quality a lot in the box. Stuff like this you want to keep. Boxes like this you want to keep in case y'all don't keep y'all boxes, but I gotta keep boxes like this for sure. So y'all asking why the lid, this right here on this box is mismatched compared to the normal Retro 1s. Like I said, they're going more vintage 80s type thing on this shoe right here. Like I said, vintage damage type thing. So definitely fire for sure. You can replace this for sure, but I like how they got the orange top to it on the lid right here compared to the usual black and red, of course, that we always custom seeing. But this definitely a dope. But here go the box right here. Boom, Nike logo on the back right there. So I got the sales thing right here. You can take these off, by the way, in case y'all didn't know. So like I said, it's my Brody. Shout out to my Brody. Let me do the review on the shoe. Appreciate you, brother. It's size 8.5, and the retail price on these was $170. Not no 160 like they used to be, 170. But it's all good. At least I got it from retail. He ain't got to pay the full $400 plus price like I got to, in case I don't find my size. But if you got my size, man, comment down below, man. Let me know, or shoot me a DM on Instagram for sure. But on the tag here, it says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, varsity red, black sale. Like I said, retail price on these ones $170. So we'll get the box out. Inside the shoe has here, you know what I'm saying, the old receipt. And close up, it says the date, which is August 30th, 1986. And the name is Paul. So here go close up video on the paper as well. So on the paper here, it has the Air Jordan Nike Super Sale. Regular price is $65. And the $29.99 first quality leather. Hey, here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, aka Chicago joints, man.
You will only see some real niggas round me. Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit
Definitely one of the shoe of the years right here, man. Shoe of the year right here, man. Super clean colorway, super dope. Like I said, I'm a Bulls fan, so these is one of them. I gotta have these. And I will get these. And on feet will be coming. Don't know when. But on feet will be coming on these. I don't care how late the video is gonna be. It's gonna be an on feet of these for sure. I can promise y'all that. But comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all picked up a pair of these. You want on sneakers app, Foot Locker, anything like that. Let you know what down below. Like I said, I did win a couple pairs on the Foot Locker app. I didn't win nothing on sneakers. I didn't hit nothing on JD. but most of my pairs came from Foot Locker app. And that's like I said, I was in Vegas, so their market is way bigger where I'm from. It's which I'm from, Cincinnati, Ohio, but their market is way bigger compared to where I'm from right now. Like I said, so like shoe piles is super big, you know what I'm saying? They only had too much, you know what I'm saying, stuff out there, but it was definitely a dope experience for sure. So, but these right here, super clean, man. So let's go and talk about the shoe, man. On the outsole here, you got your red Nike outsole here. On the midsole here, you got your pre-yellowed midsole, also hence with your white midsole here. So they got kind of mixed the yellow and the white together on the midsole here, if y'all can tell. On the toe box here, you got your white toe box here. So it comes with sets of 2 laces on this shoe. Let me get the laces out for you guys. So it comes with sets of white laces and also black laces. Me personally, it depends on what fit you got on, know what I'm saying? You go with the white, go with the black. Either or, it really doesn't matter really. But me personally, I'm just trying to stick to the black laces on these joints, know what I'm saying? But like I said, it just depends on the outfits that you wear. On the side panel here, you got your black Nike swoosh. Also, you got your Air Jordan Wing embroidered right here. The OG right there. They got that vintage type thing. This shoe's very vintage, if y'all can tell. Tongue here, you got your stitched in Nike Air on the tongue here as well. On the padded collar here, you got your cracked black material. If y'all could tell right here, more like I said, it's a black cracked material on the padded collar here. And then on the inside of the shoe, of course, you got your white and red Nike Air inside of the shoe. All this shoe, 10 out of 10, man. The material, the crack on the padded collar, you know what I'm saying, the double laces in the shoe, got the vintage packaging, all that good stuff. They went really detailed into the shoe. Like I said, between this and Armani Manir Retro Force, you know what I'm saying, shoe of the year for sure. But I will definitely pick these. It's just a retro one, Chicago Jordan 1. You know what I'm saying? It's an OG, it's a classic. You can never go wrong with this colorway, this material on the shoe for sure. Vintage packaging, it's just 10 out of 10 for sure. Like I said, Armani Manir Force. I will put these number 1, and I'll put the Armani Manir second. This is my top 2. Comment down below, man, let me know if you agree, or just comment down below, man, let me know your opinion on your shoe of the year, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got mine, so like I said, I need my personal size in these joints. So if you got my size in these, man, let your boy know down below. Box here, this material right here is the same cracked material is on this padded heel area here, and also right here on the side panel on this Nike right here, if y'all can tell close up. But the red leather here is red leather. You know what I'm saying? It's red leather, no suede on the shoe. But on this toe box here, on the side panel, and on this padded collar area, it's cracked. So it's gonna feel a little funny when you get the shoe in hand, but it's more, like I said, it's a cracked material. But like I said, the red, it is leather, by the way. So in case y'all wonder, like, what's the difference between which is what? So in case y'all didn't know. But like I said, retail price on these was $170. So if you get these for about a good steal, you know what I'm saying? Even grade school sizes retail was on $140, and people selling us for like $230, $240. And I think this shoe would definitely be a great investment. I do have a couple sizes, and I'm thinking about holding on to them, you know what I'm saying? Because I know these shoes will go up over time, you know what I'm saying? So I'm thinking about keeping my sizes just to hold on to them, so I can flip those and get my actual personal size. So I mess around and do that. I'm just being patient, just waiting, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully your boy get the size, you know what I'm saying? But that's it for this video, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing a little support as always, man. Like I said, I'm coming with bangers, man. I'm coming with bangers left and right. Like I said, your boy, I missed y'all. Double upload today, by the way, too. I like throwing out surprises sometimes for y'all, man, you know what I'm saying? But make sure you follow me on my platforms down below, my Instagram, my TikTok, my Twitter, all that good stuff down below, man. I greatly appreciate it, man. I'll catch y'all in another video, man. Jared1 is out. Peace.